Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be going around to my mate Jeff, who just got a new S13. So we're going to check that out because he's got a couple bits and pieces to do to it, as well as I'm going to be installing this bucket seat that I took out of the Altezza into my S15. So we're going to head around to his place and check out his S13. So we just made it to Jeff's house now. We got my S15 here, and here's his S13. So it's still got quite a bit of things that need to be finished to get it running, but it's not too far off. So it's a little bit different from my SIs. Mine's still pretty reasonably stock. Obviously it's been a bit more work to the mine, like top mount, turbo, all this stuff. A lot of things have been deleted, such as like the AC, ABS, and he's going to be doing a battery relocation, and then yeah, just all this stuff for the blow-off valve and the intake. All those kind of pipes and wiring still needs to be done. There you go, he's got a list of all the things that need to be done. Clearly still quite a bit. That needs to be done to it. I believe he's in the process of putting a new diff in there. Yes, messing with the hubs and stuff. The exterior is in reasonably good condition except for a few of the paint, which is planning to get a respray at some point. Yes, I've just pulled in my S15 so you can look at some of the things on it and compare it. Yeah, still pretty clean S13. I'm pretty excited to see it running. So I think at the moment we're just gonna be chucking either my seat in there so we can test fit it, or if we're borrowing his bolts to chuck this into my S15. Because I'll be heading to Chrome in a few days. Oh, sorry. In like a week or so. Alright, so got the seat out of the S13, taking off the brackets now, and we'll be taking the seat out of the S15 and hopefully fitting the bride in and see how it fits. Sweet, so we've just adjusted the brackets now. We had to widen one of them to fit the bride. And I got the all the adjustment stuff on, so we're gonna try fitting the bride on, see if it fits. We kinda got it in. The bolts in fine and everything, but I sit a bit too far backwards for it. So I'm just gonna adjust it maybe tomorrow and try moving the seat more forward on the rails so I fit in it. Alright, so I was taking the seat back out. We're going to loosen everything up again and we're going to readjust it. So I'm looking to put the seat, bolt it further forwards on the rail so I'm sitting closer to the pedals. Alright, so now I've got the seat just sitting here on top of the sliders for my bolts or anything, just so you can see how possibly far forward it can go. So hopefully we bolt it just there. It should get us close enough to the pedals. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, so the seat's finally mounted. Kinda correctly. I still sit a bit too high, I'll show you. I kind of feel like I'm driving a bus, so I probably need to make some custom brackets because these sliders just add too much height to it, but I think it should do for now. So there's what it looks like. Hey, so just a bit of an update on the channel. Yeah, so we got Chrome Expression session coming up in like 2 weeks or so, which I'll be taking the S15. And hopefully I'll be smashing third around some of the corners there. And also Jack's RX-7 should be having its first start in like a week or so, so you'll be seeing that soon. And also with the S15, I am planning to do a full rebuild of the SR, but I kind of want to buy all the parts first before I get into it. So I know at the moment I've been doing like kind of ricey stuff with it. Just I don't have much. Just I want to buy all the parts before I actually start building the SR. You'll see a few more of those kind of videos just messing around with little things on the S15. But yeah, so we got a lot more coming up, so stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.